Hello folks, bit of a deviation from the old watches for the night. Well, that is kind of linked to it, but it's all down to like being able to see things. See, right, you know, and what I've been getting by with is this thing here. It's an LED magnifier, like, you know, it's all right for some things, like, you know, but it's not. I mean, the only stuff I can really do with it is like that little tiny little extra lens there, and I find it really difficult. So, you know, so my lovely youngest daughter, I was out today in Lidl's, of course, she bought me this. Look at that. Helping hands, clippy, or nipple like thingies. Soldering iron like rest. Brilliant LED. I mean, it's really bright. And the thing is this. It's like twice the power of that. And that there is very pokey. It's really good. And I can see, like, you know, very minute things through it. You know, it's as you can see there, like, very hard to do it on a phone, but very clear. And the thing is, being diabetic, excuse me, ouch. The thing is, being diabetic is my eyes are degrading, and seeing little small pieces is getting a bit more difficult. Anyway, back to this. You can adjust the height on that. This yoke can be adjusted. It can be made floppy or firm. There's an adjustment at the back. This could be moved by undoing the screw there, and you can change its orientation. So you can put it, there's and if you can see, there's a hole there if you wanted to, and there's a little parts tray here. Right, it's got nice solid blocks. There's like a little adjusty bit there, so you can actually loosen that up if you wanted to change the orientation. I should imagine that these are pretty like standard, so you could probably fit other ones to it, or you could probably, you know, find of those cheap Chinese ones, you could probably find arms that would fit, extra arms to stick, you know, with yokes on, so you'd have more, you know, helping hands, as these are called. It comes with its batteries, three AAA batteries. It's very bright, it's very clear. It's not a plastic lens either. It's it's like a very nice glass. Whereas that one there, that's a plastic lens, and it does take a lot to keep it clean. If you're looking for something that's useful, it's got a very heavy cast base, which is not felt backed, but it's like textured. I like that. PowerFix is the box that comes in. So I say that it's not going to fall over. It falls over. That's because I put it on the edge of the thing. So if you fancy a go yourself, this is like the box. Shows you in action. Hey. PowerFix Profi. Well, I think that's supposed to be professional. Precision tool holder with LED magnifying glass. Decoration not included. Okay, what decoration is that then? I mean, I can't see. Is there like supposed to be Christmas trees around the base or something? Yeah. Cut of like dead mechanics hanging off the top. with LED light and dual magnification, 2.5 by 5 times. Well, that's really weird because this one here is supposed to be 2.5. And I can tell you this one is better, stronger. Soldering iron holding can be positioned on the left or the right. I bet that really is what people wanted in a tool. Anyway, I don't know if there's anything else like it, but this magical tool, for what it is, cost £5.95, which I think for what it does, the usual thing is like the smaller, like, you know, the smaller lens on the spindly arms and like kind of stand thing that, you know, cost a few quid off of eBay. This is coming a bit further than that, a bit more robust, a bit more, you know, it's going to last. Well, we hope it's going to last. I can't really see as anything that's really kind of wearable. I've no idea. I think this rubber bit is on there just because you could be bending over, bonk, and you just put your eye out. So I think that's what that's there for. I'm very pleased with that. I've already like put it to work tonight, like on a Vostok movement. Where is she? Where's the new boy? The new one. Where did I put it? Here we are. There we are. Petrol blue Commando Zakaz, like, and it's on an Orient kind of old gold bracelet. Now I'm going to say this: the bracelet is probably worth a hell of a lot more than the bloody watch, because Orient is a very good brand. This is an all brasser that is kind of a bit confused about its polish, but as you can, it's got the run over, like, it's got the run over frog look to it. You know, and what's wrong with it is somebody's overwound it, and the second hand fell off. You know, you can see it there. There's the second hand. But I've done pay a lot for it, and I'm quite happy with that. And this is what it's been used on tonight. Somebody's just tightened it up so bad, wound it up so badly, it's just jammed. So I need to take it apart. I haven't got any of the only one I've got with this kind of lug is the Vostok Commandersky Cadet, but that's like half the size of this. This is the first one I've got of these ones with the run over frog look of it. Anyway, I'm digressing. I was talking about this tool, not more watches. Right, so there you go. Get down to Lidl's. They're only there until the next changeover. Definitely recommend. See ya.